I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Dalawang taong nag-aaway ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan kung bakit sila nag-aaway. Ito, pinakikilala ko sa inyo si Kitana, ang batang kulot. At yung isa naman hindi ko alam anong pangalan niya. Basta may pangalan siya. At ito ang nangyari sa mga dalawa. Parang mga kalo-kalo. At dito nagtatapos ang aming pagdula-dula. Okay. 1, 2, 1.
And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true.
Ready? 1, 2, smile. Okay. Wala naman.